In this video, we will show you how to register Amazon affiliate. To register Amazon affiliate, it's very easy. First, you need to open Amazon affiliate. Then you can click the affiliate test program.amazon.com here. I will put this URL into video description or pinned comments. Okay. Then scroll down in here. You can click sign up button. In here, you need to create your Amazon account if you don't have the Amazon account. But if you have Amazon account, you can just click sign in here. Let's create our Amazon account. In here, we need to type our name, first and last name, email, and password. And we need to re-enter our password. Then, if we have the account, we just need to sign in. In here, let's type our email and password. And in the next step, we need to enter our websites or application. Just type our website here, for example. Then we can click add. Okay, click next. And are any traffic under 13? We just click no because this is safe for our children. Just click confirm. And in here, what is your preferred associate store ID? Let's just tap our website title. Okay, it can be lowercase. Okay, website about tutorial and tips, for example, like this. And this blog, how did you hear about us? Word of mouth. Okay, let's input the captcha and tick the agreements and click finish. Okay, our ID is this. Okay, then we can click later, and in here we can using product linking banner, for example. Okay, you can see here, select the kind of banners. We can just select, for example, software. In here we need to place the Amazon banner or other products into our website. You can place the HTML code here. Okay, you can see there. In here, if you want to link any product on Amazon store, you can click product link and link to any page. In here, for example, you can open amazon.com and you can find any products here. For example, the top deals. Okay, for example, this product. Then you can copy this, for example, okay, this URL, and you can place the link to any page. Okay, you can name your link here. For example, is Shark AE Ultra 2-in-1, and you can get the HTML. And this thing is automatically at your affiliate ID. So when the people buy using your affiliate ID, you will get the commission from Amazon. And that's all tutorial how to sign up as Amazon affiliate. Hope this video helpful for you.